Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux into your phone. So it's very easy to do. Just open the Play Store. So this is the Android version. So you can tap it and try to search Kali Linux here. This Kali Linux Master. You can try to tap it. It's very small, 8 megabyte. It's up to 9 megabyte. So about this app, for you who don't know what this app, this is the Kali Linux Master, your ultimate Kali Linux ethical hacking tutorial. So you can use this application, explore a wide range of hacking methodologies, tools, technique through our in-depth tutorials. So you can install it right now. So here's for example, master in ethical hacking, all command in one place, top importer software for hacking, and so on. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe the next button below. See you in the next video.